Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G data speed test and the download test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Poco F3 GT device. So during this time of demonstration, I'll try to use the vSIM card during this time. Let's see which phone can actually have the better kind of speeds and better kind of download speed. That's what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. So first, let me show you the RX Monitor application. So right now in my location, the 4G plus aggregation is not supported. So that's the one thing which I can definitely say that. So both I'm trying to use the Idea SIM card only in both phones, as you can see friends, which is Idea. I'll try to show you the Net Monster application as well, showing you what kind of bandwidth they are connected right now. As you can see, 800 bandwidth they are connected. I'll to show you in the Poco F3 GT. So in the Poco F3 GT as well, it's connected to the same kind of bandwidth. So both phones are connected to the same kind of band during this process of demonstration. So first, let's start with the download test. So this is the first download test we'll try to do on the Spotify application. So let's see which phone will take how much amount of time. So which phone will download faster, that is what I meant. So both phones are having the really very low signals in terms of the bar size. You can see only one bar in both phones, but let's see in the low signal mode which phone will be performing really good. That is what this test is about. So right now the iQOO 7 was able to start the speed test faster than the Poco F3 GT. And you can see the speeds on the top of the notification bar. As you can see, I'm getting about 327 kbps, not bad. And here I'm getting about 172 kbps. You can compare both phones. This is an extreme indoor type condition. That is the reason you are trying to see this kind of low scores. So as you can see right now, the difference between both phones. So both are connected to the same kind of band, 1800 only, doing this process of demonstration. So this extreme low indoor condition. This is not the outdoor, indoor condition. So maybe in the outdoors we might get slightly higher speeds, but I just want to do indoor condition, which phone will be having what kind of speeds in terms of using vSIM card at same time. And at same time, these are the results we are getting. As you can see friends, the Poco F3 GT may take slightly more time than the iQOO 7 device. Comparing both phones using the vSIM card at same location. So you can see the difference, how it is. So iQOO 7 is having slightly more speeds than the Poco F3 GT, little bit, yes. Doing this process of demonstration, that is what I did see in this in this case. So right now it's kind of taking pretty long time. So if I try to continue this video, it's going to take a lot of time. So first phone to finish is the iQOO 7 device in terms of the speeds. As you can see here, download speed 30 MB file, just 30 MB only. As you can see friends, the difference it is, how it is. So now what I'll try to do the speed test. Let's see the speed test, which phone will be having what kind of speeds at least. So I'll try to uninstall here. So let's go to the speed test application. So first let's try with this kind of speed test application. Let's see what will be the difference. If the speed test application doesn't work, I need to use different application, which is a fast application. Sometimes with the low signals, so phones won't be able to detect servers in this kind of speed test. That is the reason. So right now the server is not detecting in the Poco F3 GT. I'm still waiting for the server to get detect. So let's try, even if it's not, let's see. The iQOO 7 was able to detect faster, and the Poco F3 GT is struggling to detect the server, as you can see exactly. So in this case, I need to use another application for an help. So let me try to stop the test. So maybe this application is not working. So let's open the fast, yes. So this application, which is really useful under this kind of scenarios in the low performance modes. So let me try to start the test again at same time in both phones. Let's see which phone having what kind of speeds at this moment. So this is going to be really very interesting. So as I said, these are extreme indoor conditions friends. Only few phones will be able to get the high speeds. So right now with a one signal bar, so using the Idea SIM card at same location, and both phones are getting same kind of band. You can see the difference, how it is. So with single point. So this is another extreme test which I'll try to do in terms of the signals. So both phones are kind of in this application is detecting kind of close to each other only speeds, not bad. So iQOO 7 versus Poco F3 GT. As you can see friends clearly, the 1.5 Mbps and 1.5 Mbps speeds. So yes, that's the same score we got, not bad at all. So let me try to start the test again. Let's see second time. So I'll try to do this kind of test multiple times just to be on the safe side. So what type of results we are getting here, so we should know. So this with the very low extreme conditions only. iQOO 7 was able to score easily. It's going very fast, as you can see, 2.2, 2.3 Mbps I'm getting here. And the Poco F3 GT is kind of struggling to get, and it stopped at this 130 kbps only. And this is the Poco F3 GT. 19 Mbps, 32. So let me do the test one by one. Let's see. First I'll try to do in the Poco F3 GT, then I'll try to do in the iQOO 7 device. So right now 530, sorry 700 kbps I'm getting, not bad. 1 Mbps of speeds, 1.2. This is the browsing speeds which you are seeing, 1.9, 2.2, 2.3. Singles. I'm trying to do this test singles one by one in the single phone only, not two phones at the same time, only one phone at once. So if you try to do one phone at once, you'll get this kind of results. If you try to do both at the same time, you'll get this another results. That's the reason. So 2.6 we got in the Poco F3 GT. Single time doing this course. Let's see in the iQOO 7 device what this phone can get, what type of speeds. The speeds are 475, 70, 660, not bad, 760, 810. Let's see whether this phone iQOO 7 can actually reach this kind of 2 Mbps speeds or not. So it did reach up to 1.1 Mbps to 1.2, 1.3. It's slowly increasing, 1.5. So 1.6. So 1.6 Mbps speeds we got. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to do the multiple times. Not bad. So in terms of the 4G speeds, I think slightly kind of close to each other in terms of the browsing speeds. But download is the one which worries me. I'm not sure why the download speed is slightly less in this Poco F3 GT, but I can do one type of testing. Let's see. I'll have to keep the stopwatch here and I'll have to download application from the Play Store. That is what I'm going to do for the last time. I just want to clear my doubts as well. So first I'll try to do download in the Poco F3 GT. Let me do one thing. When it says installing, then I'll try to click the stopwatch. Yes. It's not the pending, because sometimes the pending will stay a long time. So I'm trying to download one by one. So first in the Poco F3 GT, then in the iQOO 7 device. The maximum speeds I got about 390 is the maximum speeds. That's it, 390. So right now the time is about 1 minute and 5 seconds, and the speeds, you can see speeds are kind of close to 300 and 400 kbps. So during this time I did see the maximum about kind of close to 400 kbps of speeds. That is what I did see. So 307 kbps, as you can see the speeds. Let me try to stop the stopwatch as soon as I see the 90 mbps, 100%. That is what I meant. 98 installing. Yes, 1 minute and 28 seconds the Poco F3 GT took to download the 30 MB file. 1 minute 28 seconds. Now let's see what will be the iQOO 7's target. Let's see iQOO 7 how much time it will be able to finish. As soon as it says installing, I'll try to click the stopwatch. Pending. Yes, it's done. So 1 minute 28 seconds in this phone, and in the iQOO 7 device we are seeing about close to download speeds of 880 kbps. We did see 880 kbps in the download speeds. As you can see the speeds out there downloading. So this is using the vSIM card. In the extreme conditions I'm getting this kind of speeds. This is with the vSIM card. As you can see the real-time results. So this is how you will be able to get to know how the speeds are in both phones. Right now the speeds decreased again in this phone, 319, 320. Right now it's kind of close to downloading 96% and 98%, as you can see. So just 10 seconds difference only there in the iQOO 7 device, not much difference. As you can see, friends, only 10 seconds difference between the iQOO 7 and the Poco F3 GT. So this is what they're using the vSIM card. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.